Good morning, SMF MMTs, the life of a market maker. That's what MMTs are. And the wisdom, the power, and the wisdom to know the difference when to be net long and when to be net short. Last night we have live videos on Chipotle Mexican Grill and After Hours, and as I clearly had stated, that it would be a short and how to use that after hours market. So how do I use an after hours market during an earnings season? And how do I establish all the pitfalls and all of the gimmicks and all of this and every little trick in the book that everyone tries to manipulate? And all the bulls were on this one. And the SMF MMTs, on the other hand, getting short up there between 273 and at the high slightly below that 277. One thing we all know, that when you do something live, it's happening and we're doing it right here. This is not after the fact, no. So for the people that don't quite understand it, you go back and look at the after hours video on Chipotle Mexican Grill on stockmarketfunding.com. There is the big short. There's the closing price. We've got it all documented very well with the trades. Now what we're going to do, as I said last night, we will be cashing out on the downside, and then we're going to look to see what kind of a bounce that we get up. Also sent out all of the earnings report about the short float. There was a 9% into a short float on the name. So what happens is behind the scenes between bears and bulls is that when the bear gets taken out and rang out of the short, and once they cover, buy to cover, once they're done, guess what happens? This right here. Isn't this a beautiful sight? So for all the bulls that were buying it in after hours, for all the people that were exuberant, their exuberance this morning, I wonder how they feel now. Yeah. And remember, talk is cheap. Show me the money. Not only that, show me before it happens. That's what the public lacks. They don't get that. You get it here every day, all day. And the thing about it is, the truth is the truth. Let it be known, and let the cash register ring.